Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to another Heimsnet tutorial. This is George, or I'm Europa, and I'm going to be showing you how to add a custom server jar to your Minecraft server. So, once you have your server, go into your server through the panel, go into file management. Now that you have servers.jar in your file management after, buying the server, you're going to want to switch that out. So, you delete that. And then take your custom jar and upload it into the server. Oh, guess we have to use that button. I have my server jar right here. It'll take a bit of time to upload. Now finally that is uploaded, now we can go into configuration, startup parameters, and change server.jar to whatever you have. For me it's 1.15.2.jar, and then we update the startup parameters. This will change the jar so that it launches the correct one. Now we can hit start on the console page of the panel, and it should start. Accept to ELA. And there you go, you have your custom jar. Now that the server has started, I'm going to verify that it is in vanilla as opposed to spigot. So I'm going to enter the IP, join the server. And if I go ahead and opt myself, and you just type plugins, there's nothing. PL doesn't work either, it's all vanilla. So that's about it. Hope you enjoyed, and now you can add your own custom jars without having to contact support on how to do it. Thanks for watching.